The secret is not force or striving. It is awareness coming clear. Power awakens through knowing what has always been here. I turn my attention inward, where unity quietly stays as consciousness expands. Conditions loosen their sway. The universal asks for nothing. It does not bargain or bind. As I remember this connection, limitations fall behind. What once felt heavy and fixed begins to soften and release. Freedom grows through recognition of unconditional peace. I am less aware of restriction as unity comes into view. The mind rests in something larger than circumstance or rule. Emancipation is awareness, not escape, not control. I step beyond conditioned thinking and return to the whole. In this remembering I find myself unburdened and clear, conscious of power and presence. I stand free here.